I was sent 4 items to review from Comfelie, so let's get to it. This is their wireless racerback sports bra with seamless liquid silicone gel design, standard 100 Oecotec certified moisture wicking, breathable mesh fabric. It's got centralized support that really supports and is so comfortable. I love the racerback design because it stays in place. It won't slip off your shoulders, but you've got all your shoulders are like free to really move around. Love that. So comfy, nothing's cutting up into your armpits. I wouldn't call these wide straps, but they are a decent width and adjustable right here. You've got the adjustable clasps here. It also comes with a clasp extender. This does not come apart. An interesting design as far as you have to pull it on and then you have to hook these into place, or you could hook them into place first and then pull it on. A really nice seamless design. There is semi-fixed padding, meaning it's really easy to get it back into place after washing it. Here is the inside, just really smooth, wireless, seamless. They have sizes from 32B to 42 triple D, so really tons of sizes to choose from. Stays in place, keeps you up here, just love it. Next up, we've got these amazing seamless leggings. They feature a secret inside pocket right here in the back. That's so awesome. Made of 4-way stretch Oecotec certified fabric. So stretchy. Really soft, skin-friendly fabric. Another really cool feature is that they've got 3 hems at the bottom, so you could cut between any of these, so you'll get the perfect length. So thoughtful. I am 5'8". They hit me like true waist, so it's really nice and like supportive in the midsection. This is where they hit me, so on tall girls, you're not gonna need to trim these at all, but they are a nice length, and I love that there's like no hem. It just kind of stops. It's really nice. It's not tight or restrictive down there, and shorter girls, you may want to cut at one of those inner hemlines down there to make them shorter. They're just a solid periwinkle kind of color, so you can mix and match with any of the Comfelie sports bras. Let's show you the next one. This one is so cute. It's almost like a fitted crop tank top, but it's got all the support you need in there, so you can wear it to work out, you can wear it for yoga, you can wear it running grocery errands or whatever. Like really cute and comfy. I love this. This is the smudged ink design. So cute. Again with the racer back, so you have flow motion of your arms. Don't have to worry about the straps falling off. This one is not adjustable, which again makes it super comfortable because there are no clasps or wires or anything. Really nice and supportive. This comes in sizes good for 32B to 42 triple D, so check the measurements on product page and make sure you get one that is recommended for your size, because again, this is not adjustable. The band is like really nice and stretchy, so nothing restrictive or uncomfortable. There are your pads. There's a double lining kind of, so the pads are one layer, and then that like outer really nice fabric is the outer layer. There's some mesh between those, so it's just really breathable, moisture wicking, just really conducive to working out or just running errands and keeping you cool and comfortable. So fun and comfortable. Last but not least, here is another racerback sports bra from Comfelie. Again, seamless, so supportive, so cute and comfy. You can kind of move these to be more out or more in, but because of that racerback design, they're not gonna fall off, so that's amazing. This one does not have a clasp, but it's like this little green stretchy area right here. I love this back bit, no clasps. There are seams, but it's just really smooth and comfortable. Looking inside, there are little slits so you can get in there to get those pads readjusted after washing. Really easy, so comfortable and seamless in there, and no wires. I love it. This is a U-neck with adjustable straps on both sides. Really skinny straps, but they are comfortable and supportive. Really soft and seamless Oecotec certified fabric. Great as a daily bra, a workout bra, you name it. I love this one. I love all of these from Comfelie, and I know you will too.